Respected Dr. Hasmukh Adiaji, Srimati Anita Karbalji, our chief guest for today, Shri Sudhir Mehtaji, Director General Dr. Sundar Manoharanji, my fellow members of the governing board, faculty, staff, parents, and above all, my dear graduating students. Namaste. A very warm good evening to each and every one of you. This evening, we are honored to have Sudhir Mehtaji, Chairman Emeritus of the Torrent Group, with us as our chief guest. For me, Sudhir Bhai is one of the very proud sons of Gujarat. He, like my father, started as first generation and built a world-class power and pharmaceutical business for Torrent and made Torrent a name that is known across India and the world. His wisdom continues to nurture and inspire his family, businesses, and the exemplary philanthropic service of the UN Mehta Foundation, for which he spends most of his time now. A deeply spiritual person, he is an embodiment of the finest Jain principles. Respected Sudhir Bhai, you are, for me, a bridge between my father's generation and my generation, and I have always had the highest respect, learned from you, and for the benefit of this audience, we were the founding board of PDEU, and we together built PDU for the first 15 years. And I am truly grateful always for your guidance, and for all of us in my generation, Jinal's generation, future generation, Sudhir Bhai, you are a role model for entrepreneurs, and I am sure that some of the budding students in this audience will follow your path, and there will be many, many more Sudhir Mehtas coming out of Gujarat, following your footsteps, and you will always remain a role model. And that is why having you here today is a particular privilege. Thank you for all your contributions. Let us welcome my dear student Sudhir Bhai with a very, very warm applause. Dear friends and students, I have always regarded the Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University as a sacred shrine from when I became president in 2007. इस मंदिर की स्थापना से मैं यहाँ सेवा करते आया हूँ हर एक साल. Therefore, coming here is like a pilgrimage to me, and seeing each and every one of you and seeing the energy in the students and seeing this temple of knowledge grow has brought in the highest amount of satisfaction, not only to me, but to the entire board. This temple of knowledge has a lofty purpose to serve both Mother India and Mother Earth. I am happy that we are making consistent progress in pursuit of this mission. We are ranked from among the top 50 in innovation in NIRF in 2025. Our faculty is recognized as the world's leading scientists in the Stanford Global List. Our university has published hundreds of impactful research papers and filed over 100 patents, as Manoharanji just told us. My heartfelt congratulations to the entire PDEU family for these achievements. All of you, particularly the faculty, deserve a big round of applause. So again, my dear students, Friends, as PDEU grows from strength to strength, the happiest person is our most respected Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, whose idea it was to start PDU way back in early 2000. His blessings and his strategic vision have motivated us every step of the way. Years ago, I made a promise to him that PDEU would nurture world-class talent to power India's energy ambition. Looking at all of you today, I feel that that promise is fulfilled. Today, we pledge to our beloved Prime Minister that we are even more determined to do better, make India prouder and PDU greater in the years to come. Dear friends, our university is marching ahead primarily because of its strong leadership. Dr. Hasmukh Bhai Adiaji, your vision and rich experience have made a critical difference to the evolution of PDU. You have made it a hub of new ideas and bold innovation and quick execution. Srimati Karwalji, your wisdom, guidance and unstinting support have been invaluable to PDU. Dr. Manoharanji, your dedication to academic excellence and global engagement has uplifted the entire university, and I am continuously impressed with your pace of execution. Let us give, my dear students, our leadership team a huge round of applause. Distinguished leaders, faculty and students, India today stands at a proud moment in its development journey when you are graduating. The global economy is growing at less than 2.5%, and India is sprinting ahead at nearly 8%. There is erosion of confidence all around. In contrast, India is bubbling with hope and self-confidence. A decade ago, the rest of India was talking about vibrant Gujarat. Today, the rest of the world is talking about a vibrant India. Nevertheless, we must remember that geopolitical situation has created certain challenges for our future progress. India must become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant in critical technologies and industries. This message is also of great relevance to our university and all other universities in India. History shows that countries become true economic powers only when they are strong in science and technology. History also shows that nations lead in science and technology only when they have world-class universities. America became America because of its best in the world universities. Europe demonstrated this truth much earlier. Japan did it. China is also doing it. Now it is India's turn, and we should do better than all the rest. As all of you know, right now there is stiff global competition in artificial intelligence, new energy, particularly development of nuclear and fusion technologies, space technologies, and biotechnologies and life sciences technologies of the future. In this race, jo jeeta, wahi Sikandar. Under the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, I believe Bharat जीतेगा, भारत आगे बढ़ेगा, भारत दुनिया को बदलेगा और हम सब, particularly my next generation, भारत को बदलेंगे. PDEU must make its own contribution to winning this race. Therefore, today, I want to ask all of you here, all the students, all the researchers, and the teachers of our great universities, are we ready to make PDEU one of the best universities in green energy, green material, green economy, and all endeavors that we take? Yes or no? Can I hear a big yes? Yes, that's the spirit. I believe in each and every one of you. I believe in you because the greatest source of energy in the world is the energy of our patriotic youth. And India is a young country. My dear PDU family, the Reliance Foundation has been at the forefront of supporting all around development of PDU. Over the last 10 years, the foundation has contributed over 150 crores, and you can always count on our unstinted support. Dear graduating students, today is your day. I look at all your faces today. I see the excitement, the pride, and a deep sense of achievement. Every smile here tells a story of hard work, challenges overcome, friendships built, and dreams pursued. You represent the confident and the unstoppable spirit of a new India. You are the torchbearers of India's aspiration to build a better tomorrow for all our 145 crore Indians. I heartily applaud your success and wish each and every one of you the very best from my heart. And ask all others in this audience to give a big round of applause to our graduating students. Congratulations and well done. Today, I also want to acknowledge our teachers, the true pillars of this university. Their joy is as deep as yours. Behind every successful student stands a teacher who encouraged, challenged, supported, and believed in his students. Please join me in applauding them for their extraordinary dedication. To all the parents and families who, as I see in this audience, far exceeds the students, let me say that this moment belongs to you as well. Your children are receiving their degree today, but in your hearts, the real reward is the joy you see on their faces. You have celebrated their victories. You have lifted them through their struggles. Most importantly, you never stopped believing in them in all their inevitable ups and downs. Your love and sacrifice have made this day possible. Let us offer our warmest applause to all the proud families and parents gathered in the audience. Dear students, today as you step into a new world, let me give you a message of hope and positivity. Your future is bright. Have no worries. India and the world at large are full of opportunities. I, in fact, envy you because when I was your age, we didn't have so many exciting opportunities when we graduated. You are graduating at a very special time. My young friends, as you begin your journey, I want to introduce you to 4 lifelong companions who will walk beside you every step of the way. Your first friend is curiosity. This is the child within you that keeps asking why and why not. Curiosity opens doors you didn't know existed. It pushes you to learn, explore, and discover. Nurture it every single day because a curious mind never becomes irrelevant. In today's world, ChatGPT can give you answers, but only you can ask the right questions. In the age of AI, the person with the most answers is smart, but the person with the best questions is a leader, and all of you will be those leaders. Never let your curiosity and your faculty of thinking die. Your second strength is courage. Courage is the voice that says, dream big. It is a strength that stays with you when the world is uncertain. It helps you move forward even when the path is unclear. Let courage be your compass in very difficult moments. Your third friend is perseverance. There will be days when progress is slow, when results seem distant, when you feel tired or discouraged. Perseverance is the quiet force that helps you rise each time you fall and try again with renewed determination. Success is not a 100-meter sprint. It is a long, patient marathon, and always persevere and never give up. Your fourth friend is gratitude, which comes with humility. It is the gentle reminder that whatever you achieve is built on the support, love, and goodwill of countless people around you. Gratitude and humility keep you grounded as you rise higher. They teach you that true success is not just reaching the top, but remaining humble once you get there. As Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa beautifully said, a tree laden with fruits always bends low. My dear graduating students, if you embrace these four friends, curiosity, courage, perseverance, and gratitude, your life journey will be purposeful, your achievements will be meaningful, and your life will be truly beautiful. My heartfelt congratulations once again to the graduating class of 2025. Congratulations to your proud families. From the bottom of my heart, may your future be bright and impactful and full of joy, and we at PDEU will always cheer you lifelong. Good luck. Jai Hind. Jai Shri Krishna.